Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Vidio app. You will click on settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above, you will search about Vidio app as you see here, and you will click. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your